honestly, guys, if you're following more competitors than you are potential clients, go on your Instagram account right now. Like, don't wait, run and go and unfollow a bunch of them. Here's the thing that I find. If you're a wedding planner, if you're a corporate planner, event planner, no matter what you are right now, if majority of the people you're following on Instagram are other wedding planners, you're really not trying to market yourself, right? Because here's what's going to happen. Let's say you are following 500 people and 400 of them are other wedding planners and you're a wedding planner. Most of the content that is showing up in your feed is going to be content from other wedding planners, your competitors, right? And this is what I try to retrain my clients to in terms of their thinking. You are not on Instagram to learn or look at content from other wedding planners. You're on Instagram to share content that is going to resonate with a potential client. And you're on there to share content that is going to help people to find you. And how can you do that if everything in your feed is just what your competitors are doing or inspiration from other people's event, right? Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying to not follow any wedding planners or any competitors, guys. I follow some of my own competitors, but I usually follow people whose content I enjoy, right? So that's the first thing. If I enjoy your content, I will follow you. I'm not just following you because you're a wedding planner. And here's the thing that happens. The more people that you're following who are like your business, when you're following your wedding planners, when Instagram starts to refer content and refer people to follow, because this is how the algorithm works, what it does is it actually just starts referring more people like the people who you're following. So what starts showing up is even more of your competitors, more of other planners. And that's not what we're trying to do. Like, you're trying to see potential clients, right? So I'm going to give you 3 very important tips. Now, here's one thing that I really want you to take away from this, because this is something else that I find people do. If you are following more people than is following you, I want you to reevaluate that, right? Because I've met clients, Michelle says that's so true. I never really thought about that. Yes, that's how the algorithm works. So if most of the people you're following right now are wedding planners, just go to that little search or explore area in Instagram. Guys, I'm doing this from my phone, so I can't even show you. Go to that page and see what gets referred. It will refer more people like who you are following, and it will refer more people like who you're following, who they also follow. So it creates this train of you just following your competitors, and we don't want that.